When a huge, rust-covered dumpster appeared in the middle of this quiet backyard, the neighbors assumed the homeowner had finally decided to clear out his property. But days passed, and the dumpster never left. Instead, the man began digging a massive hole around it. That was when people started asking questions. Why would anyone bury an old steel trash container behind a beautiful house? Some thought he was building an underground storage room. Others believed it might become a storm shelter. A few neighbors were convinced the entire project was a terrible mistake. But the truth was far more surprising. The man was an architect, and while everyone else saw a worthless piece of industrial scrap, he saw the frame of something most families spend tens of thousands of dollars to build: a private swimming pool. The idea sounded ridiculous at first. Dumpsters are designed to hold construction waste, broken furniture, and piles of trash. They are not designed to hold thousands of gallons of water, or people. But that was exactly what made the challenge interesting. Rather than ordering a prefabricated pool or hiring a large construction company, he decided to transform the steel container himself. First, he searched for a container that was large enough to swim in, but still narrow enough to fit comfortably in the backyard. After finding one with a solid steel frame, he had it delivered to the property. Its condition was far from perfect. The exterior was covered in rust. The inside was scratched, dirty, and filled with years of grime. Several areas needed repairs before the container could safely hold any water. Most people looking at it would have seen a disposal problem. He saw the beginning of a luxury project. He started by cleaning every inch of the metal interior. Layers of dirt and corrosion had to be removed before any coating could be applied. He scraped the walls, pressure washed the container, and carefully inspected every weld and corner. Any weak section could later become a leak. Once the container was clean, he repaired the damaged metal and reinforced the structure. Water is incredibly heavy, and when thousands of gallons push against thin steel walls, even a strong container can bend or buckle. So he added supports in the areas that would face the greatest pressure. Then came one of the most important steps: waterproofing. Bare steel would quickly rust when exposed to pool water and chemicals. To prevent that, he coated the entire interior with a durable waterproof layer, sealing the floor, walls, seams, and corners. The ugly industrial box slowly began to look clean, smooth, and surprisingly modern. But the biggest transformation was still hidden underground. While the container was being prepared, he marked out its exact dimensions in the yard and began excavating. The hole had to be deep enough for the dumpster to sit almost completely below ground, while leaving room around the sides for drainage, plumbing, and structural support. This was not a simple matter of digging a rectangle and dropping the container inside. If the ground shifted or rainwater collected around the steel walls, the entire pool could be damaged. The base needed to remain level, stable, and strong. He prepared a firm foundation at the bottom of the excavation and checked the measurements again and again. Even a small tilt would become obvious once the pool was filled. Then, with the help of heavy machinery, the enormous container was lifted into the air. For a moment, it hovered above the backyard like a giant metal coffin. The operator slowly lowered it toward the hole. There was almost no room for error. If the container landed at the wrong angle, it could damage the new coating, crush the plumbing lines, or force the crew to lift it out and begin again. But after several careful adjustments, the dumpster settled perfectly into place. Now, only the upper edge remained visible above the ground. To anyone passing by, it no longer looked like a trash container. It looked like the skeleton of a real in-ground pool. Next, the man installed the circulation system. Pipes were connected to carry water from the pool to a pump and filtration unit, then return it clean. He also created openings for the inlet and outlet lines and sealed each connection to prevent leaks. A pool without proper circulation would quickly become cloudy and unsafe, so this hidden system was just as important as the visible transformation. Before finishing the area around it, he performed the first water test. He began filling the container slowly, watching the steel walls and checking every seam. The water level climbed higher, 1 foot, then 2, then several feet. The deeper it became, the more pressure pushed against the container. This was the moment when all of the cleaning, welding, reinforcing, and waterproofing would either prove successful or fail at once. But the walls held. There were no major leaks, no bending, no sudden cracks. The old dumpster was officially holding water like a real swimming pool. Still, the backyard looked like a construction site. Exposed soil surrounded the steel rim, pipes were visible, and nothing about the area felt luxurious yet. So the architect began working on the finishing details. He built a clean deck around the pool, completely hiding the container's industrial edges. Wooden surfaces softened the appearance of the steel and created space for people to sit beside the water. He added steps for easy entry, finished the surrounding landscape, and carefully covered the equipment so the pump and pipes would remain accessible without distracting from the design. The final coat inside the pool gave the water a bright, inviting color. Once the filtration system began running, the rough container that had arrived covered in rust looked almost unrecognizable. Then came the final fill. Clear water poured into the pool until it reached the finished edge. Sunlight reflected across the smooth surface. The new deck framed it like a custom architectural feature. The neighbors who had watched the strange project from the beginning could barely believe what they were seeing. The object they had dismissed as an old dumpster was now a sleek private pool hidden in the backyard, and from most angles there was no way to tell what had originally been buried beneath the deck. What made the project remarkable was not simply that the man saved an old container from being thrown away. It was the way he looked at an ordinary object and imagined an entirely different purpose for it. A conventional pool could have required a much larger budget, weeks of specialized construction, and a long list of custom materials. By reusing the dumpster as the main shell, he started with a structure that already had the basic length, depth, and strength he needed. Of course, it was not as easy as dropping a container into the ground and filling it with water. Without reinforcement, waterproofing, drainage, safe electrical work, and a proper filtration system, a project like this could quickly become dangerous. But with careful planning, the strange idea became a functional piece of backyard luxury. By the time the project was complete, the rusty container had disappeared completely. In its place stood a modern swimming pool that looked as though it had been designed for the home from the very beginning. And the people who once wondered why a man was burying a dumpster in his yard were now asking him the same question. How could they build one too?